Did you know there are dogs that don't make you sneeze? Yup, some dogs are hypoallergenic, which means they're way less likely to trigger your allergies. And no, it's not because they're made of clouds and dreams. It's all about their fur and dander. Ever heard of a poodle? Or a bichon frise? These stylish little fluff balls are not just adorable, they're allergy-friendly too. Other breeds like the Portuguese water dog and schnauzers are also on the hypoallergenic squad. So if your nose starts a full-on allergy concert in your dog, there's still hope for you to be a proud pup parent. But wait, do hypoallergenic dogs never cause allergies? Or is that just clever marketing? Also, tell me, if a hairless dog wears a sweater, is it considered fashion or fur? Let me know in the comments.